Hello, welcome to Tutti Frutti channel. Today we unbox this camera. I just received it. So if you are new in my channel, just press the subscribe and like button. Let's go. Let's see what we have inside. This is the books. We have so many languages. Okay, go to the next. Let's take a look about this. This is the charger. And this is the connector.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work.
This is the connector for this charger. I think this is extender. Okay, and this is the camera. It's like the AX53. So this is the oldest model. So the Zoom X60. And it's open. So this is our first unboxing, and I will make some videos and post it in my YouTube channel. So if you want to look more videos, just subscribe. Thank you.